We've been running advanced engineering throughout the years. Since the 1990s, emission regulations have been phased in every 3 to 5 years, and they were giving a natural pace to the product improvements and new introduction of new technology. The targets were usually introduced 1 or 2 steps in advance, so we knew them very well. There were then only few competing technologies to prepare for. Today the situation is different. After the introduction of US 10 and Euro 6, the authorities have been shifting their focus from public health and emissions to climate change and emission of greenhouse gases. They did that as we passed the last regulation step, so suddenly the targets were not defined 5 or 8 years in advance. In fact, the 2020 regulations are still not 100% frozen, so we have to guess the target levels and the target timelines. We are looking at multiple competing technologies, some very small, some very large. Beyond our customers' requests, we've had to take one step back and ask ourselves, what can we as TitanX do to help our OEM customers to reduce the fuel consumption of their trucks? Sometimes we've had to read between the lines to understand what exactly our customers are asking for. The result is we have looked at a number of potential technologies and determined that some can have a very large impact, some others look good on paper, but they don't really work in real life, and yet some others would require a complete redesign of some other components or the vehicle. With all this work, we are showing our customers that we understand the general question, we can bring our own ideas, we can evaluate them, combine them with their ideas, and in the end, reduce the fuel consumption and the emission of greenhouse gases.